Welcome to my YouTube channel Technical Trainer. If you are not subscribed my channel, then click on subscribe button and subscribe my channel, and for latest update click on notification bell. Now I am going to discussing about how to set two IPs in one LAN card. Firstly, I am open CMD and check there is only one LAN card by typing ipconfig. As you can see, there is only one LAN card, Ethernet adapter local area connection, and there is no another LAN card, and IP is 192.168.2.1.113. Now I am telling about how to set another IP on this LAN card. Firstly, click on network icon and open network sharing center, change adapter setting, double click on local area connection, go to properties, click on IPv4, click on advanced. As you can see, there is DHCP enabled. You cannot set another IP if your DHCP enabled, and use the static IP address. Double click on IPv4 and go to advanced. As you can see, there is on one IP. Click on add and add another IP and add. Click on OK and OK, close. Now open CMD and type ipconfig. As you can see, there is two IPs, IPv4 address 10.0.0.1 and another IPv4 address is 192.168.1.1. Thanks for watching and subscribe the channel and share this video to your friends.